India needs over 10,000 designers every year. However, our country produces only about 1,000 designers now. There is a huge demand and this is expected to grow over the next few decades. AFD will help fill this need. We intend to enhance the skills of budding designers and place them in premier design schools in India and across the globe. All AFD faculties are designers from NID, IDC and NIFT. The courseware is updated every year to accommodate the changes in the examination. Students are drilled with several mock tests before the exam. You can be sure that AFD is the right place for your preparation to design school entrance examinations. At AFD, we make sure that you get the best faculty and course curriculum. Since its inception in 1999, AFD has had top rankers year after year. AFD's results are a true testimonial of the inputs students receive in our classes.
Have a lot of creativity in us. Many a times it is not channelized by the normal schooling systems which we go through. Students from various backgrounds come to AFD for advice on design careers. The course material and content at AFD is designed by NID and MS graduates who have studied the entrance procedures, have analyzed the previous year's question papers and created lesson plans to make the most of the time which students spend at AFD. Every year the course content is updated by the AFD team to suit the requirements of the changes in the exam pattern. AFD counselors are well trained and are able to guide the students through the process of admission to various design colleges, the disciplines they should be choosing and what lies ahead of them. AFD is on the forefront of tapping new technology to bring design education to all corners of India. AFD has a very strong presence on YouTube, SlideShare, Twitter, Facebook and many social networking sites. The numerous activities which AFD conducts on Facebook so that students who are not able to enroll for AFD programs due to whatever reasons are still able to benefit from free online mock tests, online sample papers, daily digests of questions, news about various design disciplines and notification of admission to design colleges. AFD is for every student who aspires to have a design career. Over the years, AFD has built up a reputation for spending time, effort and money in researching on creativity and providing its best to its students. Remember, our results speak for us. Today, AFD is the benchmark for design entrance coaching all over India.
AFD has been great as far as I'm concerned. I think it allows us to meet other people who are just like us, and that way we get to assess their work, and we get to get positive comments or negative comments on what we have done as well, so that way we can improve on our work, that way we can criticize our own work. And I think it's a very nice platform for us to express ourselves creatively.
This has really helped all of us to tackle a lot of problems with material handling, and we really know how to manipulate materials better than we knew before. And before also, when we had creative classes, that time it really helped us to draw better and to tackle with the questions, and how, we just got better every day, and it really helped us.
I think the classes are really good, and they help us a lot, and today we got to discuss what we made, and that was really helpful when we get to know different ideas.
I personally feel that AFD has been a really nice experience so far, because it has helped me figure out the plus points and the negative points of my creative talents, and has helped me develop it in a very, very, very good way. I've been able to assess myself and develop my skills. I've learned a lot of new things from AFD, and I don't think there's something bad to say about AFD, because it's just been a very good learning experience at AFD.